Have you ever been in a brainstorming session where you expected your team to generate a lot of ideas and they end up generating just a few? This may happen if your team isn't in the right mindset. They could be exhausted from jumping from meeting to meeting or task to task, so it's really important to slow them down and transition into the right mindset for brainstorming. Just like athletes play in sport, you need to warm up your team before brainstorming with creative thinking exercises or warm-ups. In addition to helping your team to think out of the box and generate better ideas, creative thinking exercises create a shared experience and connection between team members, build trust and psychological safety, improve focus, and help your team have fun. You don't need a lot of tools to run a creative warm-up. All you need is a facilitator, a timer, a virtual whiteboarding tool, and a pen, sticky notes, or paper. Sticky notes and pen are my favorite because they provide a much needed break from staring at a screen all day. There are a lot of different creative thinking exercises or warm-ups you can run with your team. My favorite is called a really bad idea brainstorm. This is a fun, low-risk exercise that helps people think outside of a box and come up with a lot of crazy ideas. All you need is sticky notes and pen or virtual whiteboarding tools if you're working remote. Start with a challenge. For example, you could start with, how might we break people's smartphone addiction? Spend 2 minutes without discussion, write any ideas you can think of. One bad idea per sticky note. Get your group started by being the first one to throw out a really bad idea. For example, send a small electric shock to a person that spent too much time on their phone. After everyone generated ideas, run a quick voting exercise. After everyone voted, reflect as a team. Were there any ideas that were really surprising? For more ideas of the creative thinking exercises and warm-ups, look for link below. And if you like the content, subscribe to our channel.